Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome back to 5-Minute Econometrics. Today, we will explore a large sample property of the OLS estimator, its consistency. Consistency is an essential property of the OLS estimate when the zero correlation assumption holds. It is a large sample property, or the asymptotic property of the OLS estimator. First, let's take a look at the definition of consistency. If the probability limit of beta hat equals beta, then beta hat is a consistent estimator of beta. In other words, as the sample size n approaches infinity, the OLS estimator beta hat converges in property to the true parameter beta. Consistency involves the behavior of the sampling distribution of the estimator as the sample size n becomes large. The graph shows that as the sample size n becomes larger, the sample distribution of beta 1 hat collapses to the single point beta 1. It implies that we can make the estimator arbitrarily close to the true value if we can collect as much data as we want. By contrast, unbiasedness, the concept we have learned before, is a feature of an estimator for a given sample size. Next, let's prove that under the zero correlation assumption, the OLS estimator beta hat is a consistent estimator of the population parameter beta. We need to show that the probability limit of beta hat equals beta. We substitute the outcome variable y with the population equation. The first term becomes the parameter beta, and the second term contains the error term epsilon. Then we take the probability limit of beta hat and focus on the second term. It becomes the sample covariance divided by the sample variance. As the sample size n tends to infinity, the sample covariance converges in probability to the true population covariance. Similarly, the sample variance converges to the population variance. Under the zero correlation assumption, the error term epsilon is not correlated with any of the explanatory variables. So, the covariance between x and epsilon equals 0, which leads to the consistency of the OLS estimator beta hat. Today, we have derived the consistency of the OLS estimator under the zero correlation assumption. I hope it helps. See you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.